Zombie apocalypse.
This is the SnapFresh cordless head trimmers. It's the model BBT-YOD01. So this does come with a quick charger, so it should take about an hour to fully charge this, and you do get about a half hour use out of it. You have to kind of put this together, what I'm reading. So you do have the instructions, little manual here. I'm sure it tells you how to put it together, how to use it. So you do trimmer here. This is just a little under 5 pounds. Once you put everything on it, it does come with this nice little protective sheath on here. It does say press here, so you do need to push down on this, I guess, before you pull this off. Maybe you gotta squeeze it. Yep, you gotta squeeze it. So there it is. So on here, it's hard to read. It would be nice if this was in like a different color, like white or something. It says press. So you gotta squeeze here to squeeze this to get this off of here. Just so you know that. It does have a gap in between here. It's a little over a ½ inch. So you should be able to do branches up to that size. It does have 2 handles on here, 2 buttons on here for safety. My understanding, I'm not seeing it. I only see the 1 button. Guess I need to read the instructions. So in the box, you got the handle that needs to go on it, and the shield. Well, I guess this is what they're talking about. Once you put this on here, you got to squeeze this and pull the handle at the same time. It's a safety mechanism, so it doesn't start by accident and cut you. This should be the battery and the charger. Like I said, it does take half hour or an hour to charge this battery. You shouldn't leave it on here once it's charged. I know the last one I bought my kids, they left the battery on there full all the time and just ruined the battery. They're not made for that. It does have a LED light on the bottom here. So if you push that, it tells you how much battery's left on it. There's LED lights on the charger for whether it's charged or not. Pretty simple. Slide that in there. You do have to put these on. Like I said, those do go on here. I believe this shield just slides on here. One of these ways. And then this handle goes here. There are a couple little black little nubs on here. So that should slide on there. As you can see, it has marks on here, so it just slides down. There should be some screws somewhere. I'm not seeing any screws though. Oh, there they are. So there's some little tiny screws that you do got to put in. Looks like there goes 2 on this side, 2 on this side. And I don't know if this shield needs batteries or... Looks like they do give you 6 screws, so 2 must go on the shield as well to keep it in there, which makes sense. Yeah, there's a screw hole here and 1 on the other side. As you can see, I have a lot of bushes to do, and the one on the side of the garage is sticking out there blowing. It's getting out of control. It's just too hard to pull an extension cord back here. That's why I wanted batteries. And if you have other tools of theirs, the same batteries will work in that as well. And I do have the weed eater, so I have 2 of these batteries. They also make a 4-amp battery, which is double the size of this one, and a different charger for it if you really want to upgrade. So you can get that too if you want it. I'm liking it. You should get it. There you go. It's all together now. Like I said, there's 2 screws here, 2 screws here, and then there's 1 on each side of this plate. So you do have to push this handle in and then pull the handle back here to start it. Sounds like it's got some power. Now when you put this handle in, this back piece that pushes in goes in the back. There's a little clip here. There's like this little slot here. So it'll only go on one way to make sure you get it on there right. So if you try to put it on the other way, it doesn't fit because that little slot doesn't go in. So just remember that when you put it together.